Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to resize your watermark on your Google Docs document. Now here you can see that I have a watermark on my document, and in order to resize this watermark it's very easy. So click the insert from the menu options here and go down to watermark. Now from here you have your watermark, right? If you look, you see a section that says scale. This can easily allow you to resize it, but it doesn't allow you to move it to wherever you want. So in order to have, let's say, a more full control over the resizing of your watermark, simply click on the more image options here. And here you will see that it gives you the option now to move this watermark. So you can move it to wherever you want there. So you can move this to wherever you want here, guys, or you can easily go ahead and resize it. So you can resize it by simple go ahead and take from one angle to the next and just simple drag it to how you want. As you can see, I can make it from the top here, I can do it from the sides, or I can do whatever, but you can easily go ahead and you can resize it and you can move it to wherever you want. See, I'm resizing that to how I want, make it like that, I can make it like that, and you get the idea. So let's say that's how I want it to be, then I can go ahead and I can move it wherever I want. So as you can see here, I have it on the bottom of this document. I can move it here to the center, I can move it to the top, I can move it to the top left, I can move it to the top right. You get the idea. Now once you're finished with it, guys, all you have to do is just simple go ahead and click the exit option on the upper right hand side. It says image options, just click the exit and that's it. Then click on done and you have your watermark now, let's say, saved and move to wherever you want on the document. See, so that's basically it, guys. So I have one page here with this watermark and that page here with another watermark, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.